The research of one of Dr. Schuster's students is the subject of our next story. Inside NAU's Nancy Harrison recently spent time with undergraduate Lauren Marks and has this report.
Thanks, Teresa. Lauren Marks fell in love with biology when she was in high school, and with her ambition, she's going to go far. Lying beneath this surface in Montezuma's Well are enormous numbers of parasites.
Parasites, they're huge drivers for evolution and coevolution.
And NAU senior Lauren Marks has been studying them for more than 2 years. The parasites aren't dangerous to humans, nor do they affect our life cycle, but they certainly impact the life of many other creatures. Here's how the parasites work. They're eaten or ingested by amphipods, like this one, which look like a tiny shrimp. Over time, some parasites cause the amphipods to change color.
But what the parasites do is they start turning them orange, and they can range for like just a couple dots of orange to a bright, bright orange. The whole body is bright. So they stick out.
Then ducks eat the infected amphipods.
Ducks will see them just because that's their primary food source in the well. But if it's bright orange, it'll catch their attention much quicker. And it's got this huge proboscis with a bunch of spikes, and it will just adhere and like stick inside the intestine.
Sounds like a science fiction story, doesn't it? Marks and her research associates are fascinated by this. They have discovered microscopic parasites can also shape behavior. In a darkened lab, she places amphipods in a box. One side of the box floor is green, the other gray.
Okay, so this is where I do my behavioral trials for the amphipods that are infected, if they've got a preference in the color of substrate that they are sitting on.
Substrate is the surface an animal or plant lives on. She learned most orange amphipods choose a green surface in which to live, which ducks often eat, thereby continuing the life cycles. Marks's mentor, Becky Bersick-Perrins, started guiding Marks a couple of years ago.
She was always really curious and smart at the beginning. She's grown up so much and is able to articulate her own scientific field instead of, just following along other people, which is really, really unique, especially for an undergrad.
Marks graduates in May, and she already has a job lined up in Alaska. Eventually, she hopes to educate the public on how to preserve the environment.